Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're gonna show you how to put the CD in your PlayStation 5. And as you see, to put the CD in, you have to press this right button. This button is to turn on your PlayStation. This button is to eject the CD. As you see, we have ejected the CD. And as you see, we can put it right in and right in. Yep. That we have to put the PS game right this. Yep. So the front of this CD to the black. It's something like that. And voila, you have inserted the game into the PlayStation 5. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!